So here's Giftful app, wishlist and gift registry app. It can be quite popular during the holiday season. When you just want to create a wish list and share with your friends or colleagues at work. So if there is some secret Santa or just people bringing gifts, you just get what you want and not some random gift. So Giftful helps you create the perfect wish list or register to share with family and friends. They can see your wishes and claim the ones they want to get you. Add gifts from any website using the in-app browser or clicking the share icon from any link or app you find. Will load in the details. Adding wishes has never been easier. Giftful is great for any occasion: birthdays, weddings, baby showers, bar mitzvah, Christmas, housewarming, Valentine's Day, or even just inspiration. So yeah, here you have that, and then you can just open it up. And then create the ultimate list. Add items from anywhere, the perfect gift every time. And then you can just sign in with Apple ID if you wanna. And then this is your account. And then to create a wish list, you can super easily do that. So you can see the app is quite intuitive. And then you can just tap the wish list, enter the name, event date, and then just save wish list. And then you can just tap plus. And then you can just paste the link from anywhere on the web. So super easy way to do it. So for example, from Amazon, I just want to buy this kind of earbuds. You can just go here. And then I just paste the link. And this app perfectly gets the image. You can set up the price. I think the prices should get automatically, quantity, wish detail. And then here you have the ideal wish. And then you can, when you just share this wish with someone, they will already have the link, so they can instantly go to Amazon, whatever, and buy it. And that's super easy. That saves time for everyone, and you get what you want. And then you can also follow friends here. You can also add wish details manually. Just add the wish name. Just you want to get some specific saying. You don't know where to buy it, but that's just your idea. So you can get it, put it like that. And then you can here search the web. You can also just write in the app. You have Lemon, whatever, all these brands, I guess, like a bigger brands in US. And then then you just have your account settings. If you're not happy, you can delete your account at any point. So this is not like exactly Secret Santa app where you can just create draw names and create just Secret Santa lists. This is just like a wish list. So if you have some event at your work, at your family, friends, you can just use this app to create this perfect wish list and share with them. Of course, you can also just use Amazon.com wish list, some other apps. But this is one of the top ones, quite easy to use. As you can see, it's free. There are no annoying ads. It's very intuitive and nicely designed. So it's a great app.